your boy Tunchi, and this is Y.B.E.T.V. Today I want to just kind of take a side-by out and kind of tell my progress on my business course. The business course has been selling and it's been doing great. I appreciate all the support and all the people that's been definitely purchasing the class. And you know, like, I know that you guys only know me from YouTube, so you have to have a certain amount of trust to, to actually, log in and give me a chance to, buy my course from me and be like, okay, this guy's not going to stiff me. He's not going to, try to just sell me some things and not even give me the product. But I appreciate you guys for, giving me a chance to prove my integrity. I definitely appreciate that. Now, for everybody else that's kind of stagnating, I'm going to tell you this now. I'm going up on the price. Depending on when this video comes out, I don't know what the price is now, but I'm almost sure that I'm going to be going up on it again. Because I'm learning that not only am I almost giving this information away for free, I'm not even competing with the other guys that's selling this stuff for $2,000-$3,000. And I just want to make sure that it's going to stay affordable for people to make money and do what they need to do. But at the same token, I want people to understand that you have to pull the trigger on these types of things when they're in your face. Now, I want to tell you this, man. Like, I've been doing great. I just got approved the other day for $7,000 of Amazon credit. I'm very, very excited about that. I'm really excited about that. And I got approved through Citgo for over $8,000 and some dollars. And I got other accounts that's in the air that I've been working on, and I just got a whole bunch of more information. After I finish sorting through it and everything, I'm going to be uploading it to the class. Like, man, I'm really enjoying this, and I'm really seeing it for what it is. I'm setting up the business. My business is totally set up. My score is high. Like, I can't believe how high my score is. How high my score is amazing me. It's like, wow, my done score is 80 out of 100, and my experience score is a 91 out of 100. I'm like, I'm walking on sunshine, literally. Like, I'm enjoying it. So make sure that you guys pick up the business course, no matter whatever price it is. It's definitely worth it, and I know for sure that it works because I'm actually doing it as we go. And I'm like, as people buying it, I'm a few steps ahead of you. So make sure that the customer service is great. If you got any questions and you purchased the course or you thinking about purchasing the course, do not hesitate to reach out at 855-YBETV49. That is 855-923-8849. That is only for the class or bookings or a complaint if you want to file a complaint about the channel. But otherwise, man, just make sure you check it out. The class is great, and I just want to update you guys on my progress and say thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for all the subscribers going out and giving me a chance to actually sell something to you and giving me a chance to prove my integrity. And one last thing, if you've purchased the class, I would definitely love for you to do an honest review. I don't care what you say. If it's bad, if it's good, I just want it to be honest. That's it. You already know what it is. It's your boy Tunchi, and I appreciate every subscriber. If you don't want to end up in a box, think outside of it. YBE.
Drug dealing and killing is going on in my town. It don't take a killer to kill or a driller to drill. See, just being yourself is the definition of real.